let's make this paper Christmas tree together. For this paper Christmas tree, you will need 12 pieces of paper. So first 6 are bigger, I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and next 6 are smaller, and I'm using 10 by 10 centimeters, but you can choose bigger or smaller pieces of paper. Let's start with folding it. Remember that all 12 pieces of paper are folded the same way, so you can fold the first piece and then rewind it, or fold all 12 pieces of paper at the same time. Start by folding your paper on both diagonal lines. And now open it. Fold the sides of the paper inwards to this middle line of the paper. Press it down, and the same with this left side. Now you will open it and repeat the same steps with this bottom part of the paper. So again, bring it to the center line. And the other. Now you will open it and bring those two edges of the paper inwards to this crease that you just made. So bring it inwards, press it down, and the same with the other side, so to this crease. And press it down. Now you will open it and pinch this part of the paper in together. You can place your finger here on this crease, pinch it together, lift it up, and close the sides of the paper inwards on your already existing lines. Like so. I will show you again. So pinch this part together, put your finger on this crease, and bring the sides inwards to the middle line. Now you will lift your paper, press it inwards here on this line, and now just follow already existing lines to push it together or press it down. Like so. Now all you need to do is fold your paper in half, like so. So I place my finger on this bottom line in the middle and just press it down, like so. And now if you open these outside layers, your paper should be looking like this. And remember, the same steps are applied on the rest of your pieces of paper. Now let's start to combine all pieces together. So I will show you on the bigger 6 pieces, but the same goes on a smaller 6 one. So take one piece of paper, open these two flaps, take the other one. Again, you can prepare it to open them, it will be easier for later. When you combine them, you don't need a glue, but if you want, you can use it. So take 2 pieces of paper, place one part of one into another one, so in this pocket, place it inwards, push it inwards, try to align it, and now just fold this part of the paper in half. And remember, you already have a line here where you need to fold it, like so, and repeat the same with all of the others. So just place it inwards, push it, and fold this part of the paper downwards. like so. And now just combine it together. So to close the circle, put one into another, push it inwards and close it. So from the bottom your Christmas tree should look like this, and if you turn it around it's like this. So once you repeat the same steps with this smaller part, you just place it one on top of the other like so. You can glue it together or just place it on a flat surface and it will stay together. And if you want, you can add an origami star or some bow or some other decoration on top of your Christmas tree. I will show you with a star, like so, and once you have it, just press the sides of this star together. I've made it out of the fabric, but you can check this video on how to make this lucky paper star.